Learn English through everyday situations. Hi everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we're going to practice the numbers from 0 to 30. But not just the numbers. You'll hear real and useful sentences that people actually say in everyday life. Ready? Let's start from 0 and go all the way to 30. 0. The score is 0-0 at halftime. I have zero motivation to study. 1. There's only one seat left on the bus. There's only one bottle of milk left in the fridge. We're down to one bottle of milk. 2. It's 2 o'clock already. I'd like to move into a 2-bedroom apartment. 3. We ordered 3 pizzas for the party. The train arrives in 3 minutes. My friend has 3 brothers. 4. It's 4 degrees outside. Pretty cold. He's one of 4 kids. 5. I've been to France 5 times. Dinner will be ready in 5 minutes. 6. He works 6 days a week. Before training, we have to do 6 laps around the track to warm up. 7. I usually get up at 7. I've got 7 pages left to finish the book. I only have 7 pages left. Just 7 pages to go. 8. I've lost 8 kilos on my new diet. There are 8 people ahead of me in line. There are 8 people in front of me in the queue. 9. My daughter is 9 years old. Shall we meet at 9 to have breakfast together? Do you want to meet at 9 for breakfast? Let's meet at 9 for breakfast. 10. There are 10 people in the meeting. The movie ticket costs 10 euros. A cinema ticket is 10 euros. It's 10 euros for a movie ticket. 11. The train leaves at 11 sharp. In football, there are 11 players on each team. Each football team has 11 players. 12. 12 eggs make a dozen. Remember, there will be 12 of us for Christmas lunch. Don't forget, 12 people for Christmas lunch. 13. She lives on the 13th floor. I always pick a Christmas lottery number that ends with 13. 14. He's worked here for 14 years. They had to put 14 stitches in the wound. He had to get 14 stitches. 15. The movie starts at 15 past 8. Don't forget, you still owe me 15 euros. Hey, you owe me 15 euros from last time. 16. There are 16 students in my class. There are 16 candidates for the position. 16 people applied for the job. We're 16 candidates competing for the position. 17. She turned 17 last week. The bill is 17 euros. Here's 20. Keep the change. It's 17 euros. Here's 20. You can keep the change. 17 euros. Here's 20. Keep the change. 18. You must be 18 to vote. In Spain, you reach the legal age at 18. 19. Room 19 is upstairs. My birthday is on January 19th. 20. He ran 20 kilometers yesterday. The coat I like is 20% off today. 21. She moved to London when she was 21. There are 21 days left until the holidays. Just 21 days left before the holidays. Only 21 days to go until the holidays. 22. Our office is on the 22nd floor. Please go to page 22 of the report. Please turn to page 22 of the report. Go to page 22 in the report, please. 23. 23 was Michael Jordan's number. The farm has 23 hectares of land. When I finished my studies and started working, I was 23 years old. I was 23 when I finished my studies and started working. At 23, I finished my studies and began working. 24. The 24th is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve is on the 24th. It's Christmas Eve on the 24th. The store is open 24 hours a day. 25. He earns $25 an hour. This year is my parents' 25th anniversary. It's my parents' 25th wedding anniversary this year. 26. My cousin is 26 and just got married. The house should be completed in 26 months. The house will be ready in about 26 months. 27. We stayed in room 27 at the hotel. My parents were 27 when they had me. 28. It's 28 degrees today, perfect for the beach. It's my son's birthday on the 28th of next month. My son's birthday is on the 28th next month. 29. She's 29 and already runs her own company. My brother turns 29 next Tuesday. 30. They've been married for 30 years. In this restaurant, it costs about 30 euros per person to eat. It's about 30 euros per person to eat here. Eating here costs around 30 euros each. Great job! Now you know how to use numbers naturally in everyday English sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and keep practicing with me. See you in the next one.